So, I got the back of the lawnmower. Thought I was thunder. Oh, it actually is raining. Anyway, I got the back of the lawnmower painted, so I'm about to get it on video. And we also got the grass cut, but it was extremely hard because I had to use a push mower. And it took a lot longer with a push mower than it would with a ride-on mower. So I guess having two lawnmowers will have a point. I guess we still have the John Deere. Alright. So as usual, it rained again, so I covered it. Let's just uncover it just for a second. And there's water in it. That's terrible. How did that even get there? Okay. Here it is. Let's get rid of that water. That's going to be a disaster later on. All water does to this is just cause problems with rust and fading paint. Just get the water off. That's why I have a cover on it, to keep the water away. Again, I want to move it from down here because this isn't a great spot for anything. Alright, this is a good angle. Let me get my thumbnail shot ready. I'm probably going to do something new, or I take a picture of the back of it instead. This kind of ruins it. Alright, that's a thumbnail. Okay, so... Alright, the rain's coming, so... As you can see, it's painted red, and... Well, it's painted red. Oh, and for the shifter, I use another one of these sheets of metal and cut out a little strip. Yeah, well, that's it. It's just red. So yeah, guys, you can see, I painted it red. That's it. So thanks for watching. This was CIP 5. It's gonna rain by.